Cancun, Mexico, a paradise of white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and an electrifying nightlife. But behind the picturesque views and Instagrammable moments lies a side of Cancun that most tourists never hear about. In this video, we're diving deep into the don'ts of Cancun, uncovering the hidden dangers, tourist traps, and common mistakes that can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. But stick around, because while there are risks, Cancun still has so much to offer if you know how to navigate it. This is Travel Lifestyle, and if you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and guides. First up, one of the biggest mistakes you can make in Cancun is flashing your wealth. Yeah, you want to relax, let loose, maybe have a few too many margaritas, but remember, this ain't your backyard barbecue. Cancun is generally safe, but like any popular tourist destination, it has its share of predators, pickpockets, scammers, guys looking to make a quick buck off unsuspecting tourists, especially in busy areas like the hotel zone or at local markets. You're a mark, flashing your cash, expensive jewelry, you might as well wear a sign. Blend in, be smart, don't make yourself an easy target. This one's crucial. Don't drink the tap water in Cancun. Look, I'm all for immersing yourself in the local culture, but this ain't it. While the hotels and resorts, the fancy ones, at least they filter their water, but you, my friend, you're on your own. Stick to bottled water, and I don't just mean for drinking, brushing your teeth. Bottled water. Need to rinse off some fruit. You guessed it, bottled water. The local water supply, well, let's just say it can contain things that'll have you spending your vacation in the bathroom, and trust me, that's not the kind of local experience you're looking for. So what should you do? Stock up on bottled water. You can find it in local stores, and most hotels will provide it for you. It might seem like a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Even when making coffee or tea, use bottled water. The heat might kill some bacteria, but why take the risk? And if you're really cautious, you might even want to use bottled water for washing your hands. Alternatively, carry a good hand sanitizer with you at all times. When you're out and about, be mindful of what you eat as well. Fresh produce might have been washed with local water, so it's best to stick to cooked foods or peelable fruits. Enjoy the local cuisine, but make smart choices. Opt for dishes that are thoroughly cooked and avoid anything that might have been rinsed in tap water. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy your trip without any worries. After all, the goal is to have a memorable vacation for all the right reasons. Cancun is a beautiful destination with so much to offer. Don't let something as simple as water ruin your experience. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and have an amazing time. Cheers to a fantastic trip! Next, be wary of unlicensed or unofficial tour guides. Cancun is a bustling tourist destination, and with that comes a variety of people looking to make a quick buck. While some may have good intentions, others might not. It's crucial to distinguish between the two. Cancun is full of incredible sights and experiences, temples, cenotes, Mayan ruins, the real deal. These are places steeped in history and natural beauty, drawing visitors from all over the world. The allure of these sites can sometimes make tourists eager to jump on the first tour offered to them, but not everyone's on the level. Some guides might seem friendly and knowledgeable at first glance, but their primary goal could be to take advantage of unsuspecting tourists. They might not have the proper credentials or training to provide a safe and informative experience. Some of these guys, they'll promise you the world, cheap tours, secret spots, the best deals you'll ever find. They know exactly what to say to pique your interest and make you feel like you're getting an exclusive offer. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And you know what? They might even deliver for a while. You might have a few enjoyable moments, see some beautiful sights, and think you've struck gold with your choice. But this initial satisfaction can be misleading. But then the shortcuts start. Instead of taking you to the best spots, they might cut corners to save time and money. You could miss out on key parts of the experience or be taken to less impressive locations. The subpar service, the rushed itineraries, the feeling that you're being herded like cattle. These are common complaints from tourists who have fallen for these unofficial guides. The experience becomes less about enjoying the sights and more about getting through the day, or worse, you end up in a dangerous situation, miles from help. Unlicensed guides might not have the necessary safety measures in place, leaving you vulnerable in unfamiliar territory. This can turn a dream vacation into a nightmare. Stick to reputable operators, read the reviews, ask questions. Do your research before committing to a tour. Look for guides with good reviews and proper licensing. Don't be afraid to ask about their credentials and experience. Don't be afraid to walk away if something feels off. Trust your instincts. If a guide seems pushy or evasive, it's better to find someone else. Your safety and enjoyment are worth the extra effort. Remember, a little caution can go a long way in ensuring a memorable and safe trip. Chapter 4. Cancun's nightlife is legendary. It's a siren song, drawing you in with its promise of cheap tequila, pulsing music, and endless nights. And hey, I get it. You want to let loose, have some fun. But remember, this ain't your college campus. The hotel zone, yeah, it's relatively safe, well-lit, patrolled, but step outside that bubble, those familiar streets, and you're in a different world. Dark alleys, unfamiliar faces, the kind of trouble you don't want to find yourself in. Use common sense, stick to well-lit areas, travel in groups, and if you're going out, let someone know where you're going. Chapter 5. Don't fall for common tourist scams. Scams, they're as common as seashells on the beach and just as tempting to pick up. Taxi drivers inflating fares, vendors hawking fake souvenirs, guys in suits promising you timeshares you don't need. They prey on your excitement, your desire to experience everything. One classic, the fake police officers. They'll pull you over, flash a badge, claim you broke some obscure law. Next thing you know, you're handing over a wad of cash to avoid a fine. Be skeptical. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Chapter 6. Don't ignore beach warnings. The beaches, they're the reason you came here. Turquoise water, white sand, the promise of endless relaxation. But the ocean, it's a fickle mistress. Beautiful one minute, deadly the next. Pay attention to the flags, the warnings. Red flags mean danger, strong currents, riptides that can drag you out to sea faster than you can say help. Even if it looks calm, don't be fooled. The ocean doesn't care about your Instagram feed. It's powerful, unforgiving. Respect it. Chapter 7. Don't forget to explore. Now, I've scared you half to death with all these don'ts, but don't let that scare you away from experiencing the real Cancun. Get out of the hotel zone. Explore the back streets, the local markets, the cenotes hidden in the jungle. Talk to the people, try the street food, haggle for souvenirs. See the Mayan ruins, not just the tourist traps. This is a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and people who are as warm and welcoming as the Caribbean sun. Just remember to be respectful, be mindful, and most importantly, be present. Outro. So there you have it, the don'ts of Cancun that every traveler should know. From avoiding certain areas at night to being cautious with your belongings, these tips are essential for a safe and enjoyable trip. Cancun is a beautiful destination, but like any popular tourist spot, it has its share of challenges. By being aware of these potential pitfalls, you can focus on the incredible experiences that await you. While it's important to stay aware and be cautious, don't let these warnings scare you away. Cancun offers a plethora of activities and sites that make it a must-visit destination. Whether you're into water sports, exploring ancient ruins, or simply lounging on the beach, there's something for everyone. The key is to plan ahead and be mindful of your surroundings. This way, you can enjoy all that Cancun has to offer without any unnecessary stress. Cancun is a paradise waiting to be explored, filled with incredible sights, sounds, and experiences. Imagine watching the sun set over the turquoise waters, or exploring the rich history of the Mayan ruins. The natural beauty of Cancun is truly breathtaking, and it's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime. From the vibrant nightlife to the serene beaches, Cancun has a unique charm that captivates every visitor. And let's not forget the flavors that you won't find anywhere else. The local cuisine is a delightful mix of traditional Mexican dishes and fresh seafood. Whether you're dining at a high-end restaurant or grabbing a quick bite from a street vendor, the food in Cancun is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like ceviche, tacos al pastor, and churros. The culinary scene in Cancun is as vibrant and diverse as the city itself. Just travel smart, stay safe, and you're sure to have an amazing time. Make sure to apply sunscreen regularly, stay hydrated, and keep a map or guide handy. It's also a good idea to travel in groups and stick to well-populated areas, especially at night. By taking these simple precautions, you can ensure a fun and worry-free vacation. Remember, the goal is to enjoy your trip and make the most of your time in this beautiful destination. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Travel Lifestyle. We're dedicated to bringing you the best travel tips and guides to make your adventures unforgettable. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for travelers like you. So, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with us for more travel inspiration and advice. And stay tuned, because our next video on the don'ts of Puerto Rico is coming soon. Until then, safe travels. We're excited to share more tips and insights to help you navigate your next destination with ease. Whether you're planning a trip to Puerto Rico or another exotic location, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.